All right, let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I was sent this MUSA grill. That's going to be open fire cooking over a fire pit, over some logs, outside. Always a good time. Can't wait to get this open, start using it. I would be outside right now, but it's pouring down rain, and it's hard to film with cameras outside and unbox cardboard outside as well. So, what can you do? So we'll simply unbox. The dog's right there. Don't give him that. Okay. Thing is it's like a bag or something. This thing is what I'm really looking forward to, is when you're outside at say you're camping, obviously not probably on a hike, but you're doing something with the family. This goes right into the ground and would hold this flat top grate in the ground over the fire. That's the exciting part about it. Hey, look, fragile. It's in Italian. Sorry, couldn't resist. Here we go. Oh, I love it. Got the American flag logo in it because it is an American company, made in America. Absolutely love that. So this is just gonna go over open fire. And that is as simple as that. These things here are secure. They have the cool touch handles so you can pick it up and move it after you're done cooking, or maybe you have the meat on this, you want to take it off, you can do that as well. I'm thinking we'll do some cooks on this probably tomorrow or the very next day. I'm gonna get this thing tried out as soon as possible because this looks absolutely incredible, and I can't wait. We'll put link in descriptions where you can get this. Again, I'm not being paid to showcase this. I want to just showcase what they sent me to have fun with it. Any questions? Let me know. Let's go ahead and peruse this a little bit more. To get some instructions here, how to set it up, what to do with it as well. Again, it's not supposed to be complicated because it's not. It's open fire cooking, looks absolutely incredible. Can't wait to get started. Include a bottle opener. You're definitely going to need that. I'm curious to see what's actually in here. Let's go and do that. Ah, I know what this is. Sweet. So this is a beer koozie. So you can put your beer in there, close it down. Sorry, or soda or pop, or soda pop, or cola, or whatever, and then it keeps it cold. And also they'll give you a top as well, which you can screw on. And you can drink out of it too. I'm thinking a mint julep would probably be pretty good in here with all the insulation to keep it nice and cool while you're consuming it. Now, it wouldn't be a good video if I don't demonstrate how to use this. So I'll be right back. Yeah, what do you got? Okay, I have a Colorado IPA going in. It's just I was a member of those beer clubs. They send me some beer and I drink them and I give them money. So it all works out. There we go. Man, I've never actually used one of these before. There you go. Hey, it holds the beer really well. Any questions, let me know. I don't like doing unboxing videos. I think it's kind of self-gratifying than doing a cooking video to showcase what you can do versus what you have. But again, I want to showcase this because this is what the company has provided me to showcase and to utilize. So I want to get their name out there because this looks to be a pretty good company. I want to get their name out as much as possible. So that's why I'm doing this. Any questions, let me know. I probably said that. Have a great day, everybody. Keep barbecuing America. Cheers.